The best way that I can explain this is if you have watched Inside Out 2, there was that scene where anxiety, the emotion, was taking over Riley's brain, and she was basically going crazy and was afraid to let go of control because ultimately anxiety was protecting Riley from the worst case scenario. And then joy, the emotion, went over to anxiety and told her to let go, but it didn't work. Anxiety tightened her grip even more. But when joy went over to embrace anxiety and all of the flawed belief system that anxiety had created for Riley, that was when anxiety began to loosen her grip. And all joy said was, I accept you. You're a part of Riley, and you also make her who she is as much as I make her who she is. So Riley is also allowed to be sad, angry, disappointed, anxious, and she's also allowed to be happy, joyful, excited, and all of those emotions. When I saw that scene in the movie, I immediately said, oh my God, this is what tapping is all about. It's about embracing all of you. Every part of you is allowed to exist. There's no good or bad. Yes, there are negative and positive emotions, but they're neither good or bad. They just simply exist. They just are. It's how we perceive them that matters. So in tapping, yes, we talk about the negative, but it's not really negative because it's simply what we are feeling in the moment. And when you release resistance to this, that is when your energy shifts. Because right now, you're no longer in conflict with anyone or anything within yourself. Your emotions are being embraced. Every part of you is allowed to exist. And from that space of acceptance, you release resistance and everything just moves smoothly. So I hope that helped. Try tapping out. Please, I have so many free videos. And if you want to go deeper, get my tapping bundles at the top of my page and start shifting your energy from within today. I always say stop procrastinating your glow up. Okay? It starts today. This is your sign. Thank you for watching. Follow for more and ask me any questions in the comments below.